The standard 12-inch diameter djembe is the perfect large-sized djembe for secondary and adult African drumming classes.
This is the Drums for Schools standard 12-inch diameter African djembe. It's a classic West African drum in a traditional hourglass shape and is ideal for use playing in both solos and in groups, particularly for secondary school players. The 12-inch drum plays the lowest pitch in an African drumming ensemble. It's handmade from top quality materials using traditional techniques and especially designed for use in the classroom with a rubber base and a smooth finish free from splinters. This djembe can produce a range of different sounds, including the basic high and low tones used in most African drumming. And to demonstrate, I'm going to play 4 high tones at the edge of the drum, followed by 4 low tones in the middle of the drum. To find more about how to play the djembe, please watch our Drums for Schools tutorial videos.
The Drums for Schools standard 12-inch djembe, an excellent large-sized djembe for secondary and older players.